guys, excuse the lighting of this video because the lighting is so bad. I don't know why. So now it's about the wig. So this is the wig in here. There's a strap and there's a card that came with it as well. Users get more discount. Hair information. So the wig is 13 by 4 side part bob. So the knot came bleach, so you don't need to do that anymore. You can see it came with some combs and there is a lace at the back. Came also with adjustable strap. Okay, just see this. So guys, I did my makeup already. I don't know what came over me. I just feel like doing my makeup, then installing this wig. So the detachable adjustable strap that came with it, you just have to hook it here. See, this is the other side, two sides. Okay, so let me wear the wig. Yeah, it's side part. This is side part. So guys, this is it. The party is on the side, so I changed the part from where it is. I think I prefer it this way. I have gotten what I want. See how this laps so well. I don't know why this pattern is not straight. It's in my hand. To me, it's not straight. So I'm going to spray. Got to be good spray on it.
like about this wig is the knot of the wig that came bleached. So the day you are in a hurry, you don't feel like gluing your wig down, you can just wear this wig and you're good to go. You don't even need to bring out baby hairs, okay, because it's coily hair, and the coils of the hair is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. The length also is not too long, it's shoulder length. If you even want to make it shorter, you can make it shorter. All these I did are just formalities, okay. You can wear this wig without gluing it down, but if you want to glue it down, better still, okay. So I will leave the link to the unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Once again, I'm sorry about the lighting of this video. I hope to do better next time. I don't really know what happened to my camera or my lighting. I've been complaining for some time now. I think I'm going to figure that out. I'm really sorry.
Good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
So guys, I tied it down, so now you can see it. Shoulder length. I love this so much, so I'm going to trim the hair. Okay, those that are too long, just going to trim that. Okay, I'm going to use water on it. In here is water. Oh, look at this.
I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah.
So I'm going to use this spring, this coil lala. Apply that on it. Let's see, okay. Contemplating if I should cut more or leave it like this. Still trimming from it. The ones that are too long. So let me lose it and see. Under my tattoos, there's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, yeah, there's a remedy, oh no, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. That is it for this hair tutorial. I'm going to leave the link of this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.